In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove bank account from Shopify. If you're switching banks, closing an account, or pausing payouts, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove the bank that's currently connected to your Shopify payments. Before we start, make sure you're logged in with an account that has permission to manage payments and take a quick look at any upcoming or pending payouts so you know what to expect after the change. First, open your browser and go to shopify.com, then sign into your store's admin. Once you're in the admin dashboard, head to the bottom left corner and open Settings. This is where all of your store level configurations live, including your payment providers and payout preferences. Inside Settings, choose Payments. On the Payments page, look for the section for your Shopify payments setup. You should see the currently linked bank account displayed there. Next to that bank account, click Manage. This will open the management panel where you can control payout related details. From the Manage panel, select Deactivate. This is the action that removes your current bank connection from Shopify payments. When you click Deactivate, Shopify will usually show a confirmation prompt. Read it carefully so you understand the impact. Deactivating the bank connection pauses payouts to that account, and if Shopify Payments is your primary processor, it may temporarily disable card payments until a new bank is added. If you're asked to verify your identity or enter a two-step code, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the change securely. To complete the process, click Deactivate again to confirm. That second confirmation is there to prevent accidental changes, so once you accept it, the bank account will be removed from your payout settings. After deactivation, your store will stop sending payouts to the removed bank. Any pending or future payouts won't deposit until you connect a new bank account, and once you do, payouts will resume on the normal schedule. It's a good idea to download recent payout reports for your records before making accounting updates, and to let your finance team know that payouts are temporarily paused. If you don't see the payments option, you might be using a third-party gateway, or you may not have the right permissions. In that case, check with the store owner or reach out to Shopify support for help. And if you need payouts to start again, you can return to the payments page at any time and add a new bank. That's it. Simple, clear, and secure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.